made it.
What's the business?
Hey, Carl.
Hey, baby.
Nice ride.
Yeah, well, me either.
Follow me to the race, dude. Hey, keep up, Holmes.
Come on, Carl, follow us.
Looking real technical, gangster. Come. You ain't run off again yet? No, gangster. I'm here. Check this out. I roll with you, and on the way, I can get a couple of freestyles. It's OG Loke in the place. You don't want to stop me with a gun in your face. Yeah, man. Let's shut the fuck up. Maybe I need to do this on my own. I believe in you. Gangster for life, homie. For life. Yeah, for life, homie.
Trying to mac or something? What's cracking?
Just hanging out, you know.
Well, hey, let's dance, sugar.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's see what you got. Okay, you're doing good. You got some moves, wanna come and chat?
Yeah, for sure, that sounds nice.
Let me take you into my office.
Let me go find some chronic later. Oi, sunshine! Hey man, where the weed at? This town is full of mops. Yeah, but I can't fade it, man.
He's stealing the sound!
Hey, it's OG Loc, homie, and I'ma kick a little something like this. Hey, yo, when I come through up in the place, you don't want me to come with a gun in your face. I spit it harder than anybody in the world could do.
That
it's
shit
like
sucks. Damn.
Damn, my shit was whack.
Hey, what's happening, Lo?
Hey, Carl, what up, man?
Hey, dude, you ever thought about getting a writer to help you out with this shit?
Yeah, I did. But who, homie? Who?
Shit, I ain't in the rap game. You know, that ain't my thing. But, we'll have to think about something. Man.
How about if I get somebody to write something for me, only they didn't know about it?
What?
I think I just might have found a ghostwriter. I become the reciter, all-nighter, all-writer. Mad Dog's rhyme book from his home in the hills.
Mad Dog's rhyme book?
Man, you said you helped, Carl. Come on, man. I'm hot like fire, all-nighter, all-writer. When I kick it,
I'll
I
do
spit it, I hit it.
anything, homie. I swear that. Okay?
I ain't backing down.
Huh? Hey,
You bitch. Come on,
man,
show me
you-
what you got.
this sucks. I mean, how can refractors mess up so bad? Tanner, you suck ass. Some noise. Get a
Should back down and run away.
What was that noise? Hey, don't push me.
That's the best you got? You want this? You want this, huh? Now you enjoying this, asshole? You want me to shoot you as well? Don't blame me, blame society. Hey, Loke, I got what you wanted.
Holmes, you ice cold, dude.
Hey, I'll catch you later.
Peace, homie.